Learn the details of events impeding security testing by our tools and hacking team. In the middle of security testing, setbacks or obstacles may arise that impede our work. On our attack resistance management platform, we call them events. Your responsibility is to remain attentive to their occurrence and solve them as soon as possible so that we can continue to assess your systems. To see the list of solved and unsolved events in one of your groups, you need to access its Events section. This table shows you data such as the event ID, the date it was reported, its description, the affected components, and its status. As in other tables on our platform, you can arrange the information in the columns in ascending and descending order. You can choose which columns to show and which to hide from the table. And also filter the information according to the available values. For example, here in Status, you can select the Unsolved option to display only the events you still have to solve. Then you can click here to clear the filters and see all available data again. Additionally, you can click on the Export button to download the list in a CSV file. When you want more details about an event, just click on it. In this first section, you can find out why the event was reported by our analysts. If you need tangible evidence, click on this tab, and you will find images, videos, or GIFs justifying the reported event. Finally, in the consulting section, you can see the discussions established between your organization's staff and our hackers, and participate in them by posting your comments. Going back to the event list, you may notice that events are categorized into several different types. For example, authorization for a special attack is when our hackers have not proceeded with their attacks. The reason is they must first ask your permission to exploit a vulnerability, as the exploitation could lead to irregular behavior in your systems. Your task is then to discuss these implications with them to make a decision. You can find the definition of all the types of events in our documentation. Whenever you have one or more pending events to solve, you will see this warning message, which also reminds you how many days have passed since the most recent of these problems appeared. If you hover the cursor over the message, you can see precisely in which of your groups these events are located. You can also enable event alerts in the notifications section, which can be sent over email or SMS. Always try to fix events promptly, and inform our hackers every time so that they can review them, report them as solved, and start or resume their security testing. Fluid attacks, we hack your software.